So we out here, BFA. This is the race of the century. We finally got Quentin's go-kart going again. Devin bought a new one. And Rob's go-kart, we got a belt on there which allows that thing to take off, but he got to ride the brakes. And that thing is fast. It got a 301cc engine. So we about to get her going. On your mark. Get set, go. Here they come. Here they come. Oh man, it ain't no competition. Ain't no competition. Ain't no competition. Never slowed down, of course. He don't like to lose. That bad boy is super fast. All right, after the race, these guys getting off the go-kart. That was a good race, but what happened, Devin? You slowed up, man.
Yeah, because dust kept getting in my eyes. A rock hit me
Dust
in the
was
middle.
getting in your eyes?
Yeah, a rock
So
hit
Rob left you in the dust? Is that what happened?
A rock hit me in the eye.
He said a rock hit him in the eye. What up, Quentin? What'd you say? Did you get a good takeoff?
Yeah, I think so. He got a better one.
But what y'all say about that 301cc engine, though?
I want one on this go-kart. Yeah, me too.
That bad boy is
If
a
I could
beast.
get one on this go-kart.
We might be able to fit one on this one.
I couldn't find them.
We might be able to get one on this one, too.
Yeah.
But they are, I think, $350.
Oh my.
But we just got this one going again. Quentin is happy. You happy,
Probably gonna
Quentin?
break it again in a couple days. This is probably like my early birthday gift.
Early birthday gift.
His birthday's in 2 months, so. Very early.
2 months on the 6th October.
Mine's on
But that was a good race, yo. Rob is playing Brown City football.
I'm
23.
playing in August. On the 12th, I am. When school starts in a
Been
couple
talking
days.
a bunch of junk too, so we're gonna see what he can do. Taking playing around. He'll fall on his head out here. Alright, so we saw what that thing can do. BFA
Out.